What are they? Another 2 minutes, we will start. Just wait.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello.
हाँ ठीक अच्छे आओ गोटे मिनिट आज अनन्या को पिन कर देछि रणा बाबू बुझले अनन्या को पिन कर देइ है आपण जहाँ प्रोटोकॉल अनुଯାयी कले अनन्या से अनुଯାयी करिवो हला
हाँ ठीक ठीक
हाँ बस नाउ विल स्टार्ट
Let us start the program. With back straight, sit comfortably. Sit calm and quietly for a while. Body relax. Be ready yourself. Keep a smiling face. Let us start the session with a smiling face. Now slowly join your palms. Namaskar Mudra. Chant Omkar 3 rounds together. Lead and follow prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvesavahai Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms Have a nice massage to your whole face and relax. Slowly open your eyes. Sit comfortably. Back should be straight. Now, let us start the neck movement, neck exercise. Slowly up. Breathe out, down. Touch your chin to the chest. Inhale up, down. 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 Stop. Next, twist. Slowly twist to the right. Return left. Return 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 right. Return left. Next, side. Right. Touch your right ear to right shoulder joint. Return left ear to left shoulder joint. Up, down, 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 up, down. Stop. Relax. Next. Rotation. Slowly bend forward. Slowly move your head towards the right. Touch your right ear, right shoulder joint. Go back. Left ear, left shoulder joint. Forward. One round. Now come to second round. 2, 3. Do it slowly. Feel the stretching. Allow the feeling. 4 and 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop the practice. Relax. Feel the beautiful stimulation around your neck and relax the stimulation part with the direction of your mind. If you feel relaxed you will be. Allow the feelings of relaxation on neck. Now, next practice, come to standing posture. Next practice, Katichalana twisting. Keep your palm in front of your chest. Take position. Start. Right. Return. Twist. Return. Twist. Return. Twist. Return. Twist. Return. Twist. Return. Twist. Return, twist, return, twist, return, twist. While twist, breathe out forcefully, move completely feet should be fixed so that you can feel the movements of upper parts of the body, the whole backbone, complete twist. Try to feel yourself and do the practice. Allow the feelings and stop the practice. Relax. Free your mind, loosen your hands, relax. Feel light and fresh, the upper part of body. The next, sit up. Knee movement. Hands forward, legs together, heels together. Slowly breathe out and sit. Breathe in up. Breathe out, 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 sit. Breathe in, up. Relax. Relax. बहुत बढ़िया. Relax your knee. Slow down the breath. Allow the feelings. The nice practice for knee joint. The next practice. Come to Tadasana. Heels together. Keep your hands up. Interlock your fingers. Keep on head. Slowly hands up. Heels up. Down. Inhale 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 up. Down. Stop the practice. Relax. It's very good practice for respiration. Helps to develop our lungs capacity. More and more oxygen inhalation, more and more carbon dioxide exhalation through this practice. That means you have to feel and breathe. Your breathe smooth and continuous regulation. Maintain the deep breathing. The next practice, Vrikshasana. From right side, join your legs. Keep your hands by the side of your body. One, lift your right leg, fix on left knee or thigh. Two, slowly up. Touch your palms each other. Maintain. Minimum 10 to 30 seconds. Deep breathing. It is a balancing practice. Slowly hands down. 3, 4. Right leg down. Relax. Same to the left. 1. Lift your left leg. 2. Slowly hands up. Maintain. With the deep breathing, hands will be straight. Control your imbalance. Maintain. 3, hands down. 4, left leg down. Relax. आराम से. It's very good practice to develop our concentration. Now, come to the next practice. Padahastasana. Join your legs together. Hands by the side of your body. One, inhale and up. Two, forward. Touch your feet if possible. And slowly head down. Try to touch the forehead with your knee. Maintain. Knees should be straight. Allow the feelings, the whole back completely straight. Feel the stretching. Allow the blood flow from the heart to the head. Your head nicely charged. Feel yourself. Slowly turn. Deep. Inhale and up. 4. Exhale and down. Relax. Relax. Close your eyes. Feel the effect of practice. Blood rushing down from the head region. Allow the feeling. Your mind, your body completely relaxed. The complementary posture of the Chakrasana. Keep your palm on waist. All the fingers should be forward. Mark the technique and do. Slowly inhale and go back. And maintain in this posture. Normal breathing. Three, return. 4, hands down and relax. Relax, relax, relax. The next practice, Trikonasana. Legs apart, near about 1 meter. 1, 2, hands parallel to the ground. 3, slowly bend towards the right. Try to touch the right feet. Left hand should be straight and look up. Concentrate your mind and eye on tip of the fingers. Look it. It's very good practice to develop the concentration and side stretching. Maintain, maintain. Feel the beautiful movements, stretching and balancing. Slowly return. 4. Same practice. Left side. Slowly bend towards the left. Touch your left feet and look to the right tip of the fingers. Hands should be straight. Right hand. Maintain, maintain. Knees should be straight. Allow the stretching. Normal breathing. Return. 5, 6, hands down. 7, release and relax. Aram se. Now slowly come to sitting posture. Now come to sitting posture with leg straight position. Keep your leg straight. Loosen your legs. Free movement. Free movement. Relax. Now, slowly come to Bhadrasana, like butterfly. Hold the both legs. Interlock your fingers. Catch hold. Start. It's very good practice for knee, hip joint. Keep the hands straight. Okay, After a few rounds of movement, your legs, relax, release. Pull gentle. Feel light and face on the joint. Relax, relax, relax. Now slowly come to Vajrasana, join your leg together. Hold the right leg. Sit on right heel. Left leg on left heel. This is Vajrasana. Sit comfortably. Back straight. Palm resting on the knee. Close the eyes. Remain the effect of Vajrasana for a while. Whole body pressure on your calf muscles. Try to feel yourself. The next practice, Ustrasana. Slowly start on the knee. Mark the technique. Ardha Ustrasana first. Keep your palm on waist. Slowly bend forward, back. Bend, slowly bend back. And maintain in this posture for a while. Maintain with all within. Slowly. Now come to Purnamstrasana. Slowly bend back. Touch all the right heel with the right hand. Left heel with the left hand. Keep your head back and maintain. Slowly return and sit in Vajrasana. Release your legs. Few minutes to your legs and relax, relax. Few minutes. Loosen your legs. Keep your legs straight. Few minutes. Once again, sit on Vajrasana, right leg and the left leg. Next practice, Sasangasana. Slowly hands up, breathe in and slowly breathe out and forward. Hands down, touch your palm on the ground, touch your forehead on the ground. Sasangasana, more posture, maintain with normal breathing. Feel the heaviness around the head due to more and more blood circulation from the heart to the head. It is a very good sign to develop our memory, likes the head region automatically due to the more supply of oxygen to the brain. Slowly return, hands up, breathe out, down, and keep your hands on knee. Deep breathing, soundless, relax your head, blood rushing down from the head region, feel light and fresh. Deep breathing, deep breathing. Slowly release your right leg, left leg, and relax. Free your mind, free your mind, free your mind, releasing your legs. The next practice, Bakrasana, join your legs together. Keep your palms by the side of your butt. Fold the right leg. Take your left hand outside. Catch hold the feet and slowly turn to the right. Look to the back. Feel the thigh pressure on lower abdomen. It's a very good practice for constipation. Allow the feelings with normal breathing, maintain it. Slowly return, release your left hand, right leg, relax. Same practice, left side, fold the left leg, take your right hand, catch hold the left feet and twist to the left, look to the back, maintain normal breathing, feel the pressure on lower abdomen once again, and beautiful twist the whole pelvic region. Maintain normal breathing. Release the right hand and the left leg. Relax, relax. Keep your hands back. Take support. Now, slowly come to Makarasana, lie on abdomen. Take position. Keep like this. Face to camera. Ananya. Very good. Maintain with normal up to 10 breath. Allow the stretching on neck region. Slow and deep breath. Release your hands and cross the hand on the clasp and keep your head. Normal breathing. Maintain, maintain. Now slowly come to Bhujangasana. Keep your palm by the side of your chest. Take support. Slowly inhale and up. Look up and exhale and down. Right. Breathing exercise. Up, inhale and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and maintain. Maintain here, look up, stretching the whole back. Allow the pressure on lower back. Very good practice for back problem. Feel the storms on the chest. Automatically you breathe deeper. Slowly down. Release your hands and relax. Makarasana. Rest your hand on the clasp and keep your head. And relax. The next practice, Salabhasana. Ajamudra around your thumb. Keep your arm faced. Keep your fist palm, lower thigh, locust posture. Slowly inhale and raise your right leg up. Maintain for a while here. Normal breathing. Slowly down. Left leg up. Maintain here. Down. Both legs up. Knee straight. Maintain. Down. Release your hands and relax Makarasana. Cross your hand on the clasp and keep your head. Deep breathing. Deep breathing. Now slowly turn to the left, lie on back. Savasana. Come to Savasana. Legs go apart and sway from the body. Deep breathing. Yes. The next practice, Setubandhasana. Join your legs together. Hands closer the body. Be ready. Hold the both legs. Heels very closer to your buttock. With keeping your palm by the side of your buttock. Now slowly lift with inhale. Your trunk up and exhale down. Inhale up, down. Inhale up and maintain here. Maintain, deep breathing. It is a reverse stretching of back. Maintain. Very good practice. It is a bridge posture. Setu Vandasana. Down and relax. Release your legs. Relax. Free movement. The next practice, Pavan Muktasana. Join your legs together, hands closer the body. Hold the both legs. Catch hold the knee joint with interlateral fingers. Start rocking. Inhale and up and exhale and out. Roll and roll. Up, down, 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 up, down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, and exhale up. Inhale up, and exhale down. Stop the practice. Release your legs. Legs go apart, hands away from the body. Keep your head in a comfortable position. Any side of the shoulder down. Slow deep inhalation. Feel the relaxation in your whole back. Feel the stimulation in the abdomen, back muscles of the back. The self-suggestion likes the whole body. Feel the relaxation to the body. Deeply relax your whole body. Slow, deep, slow and deep. Feel the changes. Allow the feeling. Deep relaxation. Now slowly keep your both palms on chest. Be aware yourself from the deep relaxation. Feel the heartbeat on your left palm. Muscle consciousness. Muscle power. before coming to the Savasana, Pranavali, Kosana, rub your palms, rub your palms, keep on praise, and relax and hold it. Nice massage. Now slowly turn to the left and come to Savasana, sitting posture. Sit comfortably. Padmasana, Sukhasana, anyone which is comfortable for you. Back should be straight. Dhyana Mudra. Keep on knee joint. Kapalabhati Pranayama. Passive inhalation, active exhalation through both nostrils. That time only up and down movements are not given. No movements on chest. Whole body should be relaxed. Let us start with a smiling face. Minimum 1 minute. Start. Forcefully exhale. Forcefully exhalation with rhythmic pause. Continue the practice. Kapalabhati. It is a cleansing technique. It is a lungs cleansing technique. To reactivate your lungs, improve your lungs capacity. Continue, continue. Slow, slow. Stop the breath. Slow down the breath. Deep inhalation and exhalation. Feel the automatic suspension of breath. Kevala Kumbhaga. Auto stop. It is not only stop, it is a auto respiration, slow and deep. The next practice, Nadi Sudhan Pranayam or Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Right hand, Nasika Mudra. And up. Deeply inhale and completely exhale. No jerk, no speed, no breath. Continue up to 5 rounds. Left inhalation, right exhalation, again right inhalation, left exhalation is 1. Continue up to 5, deep breathing. It is a purification technique. Balancing technique. The right nostril is the symbol of sun, means heat. Left nostril is the symbol of moon, means cool. It is a balance between the hot and cold. Our body depends on hot and cold. Extreme cold is bad, extreme hot is bad. So we need each and every moment's balance. Allow the feeling. After 5 rounds, completion of Nadi Suddhi Pranayama or Anulom Vilom Pranayama or alternate nostril breathing. Stop the practice and relax. Exhale through the left and complete the cycle. The next practice, Brahmari, the reasoning sound to the brain. Close the ear, index finger and forehead, 3 fingers and eyes, 5 rounds. After 5 rounds, stop the practice. Sit calm and quietly in Dhyana Mudra. Sit for a while for meditation. Allow the feelings. You breathe very slower and slower, deeper and deeper. During the inhalation, mentally slow. And during the exhalation, mentally slow. Sit in Dhyana Mudra. Dhyana Mudra. Ananya, Dhyana Mudra. Sit calm and quietly allow the feelings. Deep relax. Keep a smiling face. No tension in the mind, no tension in the body. Allow the feeling. Feel the silence. Silence is the source of peace. Feel the silence. Silence is the source of realization. Feel the silence. Try to merge with the silence. Silence is the ultimate goal of life. Shanta, Shanta. Let us close the session with prayer from the deep ocean of silence. Join your palms together. Namaskar Mudra. Let us pray for well-being of whole universe. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति Shanti, Shanti. Surrender to yourself to Almighty God and feel the blessings of God. Rub your palms. Keep your palm on face. Massage your whole face. From the top of the head to the tip of the toes. Massage the whole body and relax. Feel the changes. How the effect in the whole day. Thank you. This much for today.
ଆଉ ଋଣା ବାବୁ ଆଉ ଆଜି ଠିକ କଲା ତ ଅନନ୍ୟା
बढ़िया कला आगुरु टिके था कि कोई दमा छोटिया छोटिया
हाँ हाँ अच्छा
मिसिंग
हाँ ଏ ସମସ୍ତେ ଏଥର ଆଜି ରୋଜିସ୍ମିତା ବି ଖୋଲା କରିଥିଲା ସବୁ ଯାକ ଭିଡିଓ ଖୋଲା କରିକି କରିବ ବୋଲେ ଯୋଉଟା ସୁବିଧା ଅସୁବିଧା ସାର୍ ଚେକ୍ କରିଦେବେ ହେଲା ତାପରେ କାଇଁ ଏଟା କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରିବ ନା ଆଉ ଶୁଣ ମାନେ ଆମର ସେଇ 21 ତାରିଖ ଇଣ୍ଟରନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ड्यूरिंग द इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ योग ଆମର एज यूजुअल 7 ରୁ 8 ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ ଚାଲିବ ଆଉ 4 ରୁ 5 ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ଅଛି ମାନେ ଏସ୍ ବ୍ୟାସା ଯୋଉଟା ଆମର ବିବେକାନନ୍ଦ ଯୋଗ କେନ୍ଦ୍ର ବେଙ୍ଗାଲୁରୁର ତାଙ୍କ ଚାନ୍ସେଲର ପଦ୍ମଶ୍ରୀ ଡକ୍ଟର HR ନାଗେନ୍ଦ୍ର जी ତାଙ୍କର 15 ମିନିଟ୍ से କହିବେ ତାପରେ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ସୁଧାନନ୍ଦ ମହାରାଜ ସେ ଆସିବେ ଆମ ଭାଇସ୍ ଚାନ୍ସେଲର ଯୋଗ ସାର୍ DSW ମୁଁ ଆମେ ରହିବୁ ଆଉ ସେଦିନ ତମର ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ମାନେ ବି ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁଟ କରିଦେବା ତାପରେ ଇଣ୍ଟରନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ଯୋଗ ଡେ ସରିଗଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ତାମାନେ ଏଟା କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରିବ ତେଣୁ ଏ ଅନନ୍ୟା ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ମାନେ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ଆମେ ଦଉଛୁ ମାନେ ସେମାନେ ଇନ୍ ଦି ଏବସେନ୍ସ ଅଫ ଯୋଗ ସାର୍ ଅଲସୋ ତମେ ଯେମିତି କରିପାରିବ ଏଟା କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରିବା ତ ରୋଜିସ୍ମିତା କଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍
ହଁ ସମସ୍ତେ ପାର୍ଟିକୁଲାରଲି ଯୋଉମାନେ ଶେଷରେ ଯେତିକି ରହିବେ ସେଗୁଡାକ ପୁରା ଛାଣି ହେଇକିରି ରହିବେ ମାନେ ଯୋଉ 30-35 ଯାହା ହଉ ଆଉ ବାକି ଯୋଉମାନେ ସେମାନେ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଯେତିକି ଦିନ ବଢି ବଢି ଯିବ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଲମ୍ବା ରେସ୍ ର ଘୋଡା ସେଗୁଡାକ ହିଁ ଫାଇନାଲି ରହିବେ ଆଉ ତାହେଲେ ଯୋଗ ସାର୍ ବନ୍ଦ କରିବା ନା ଆପଣ ଆଉ କାଣା କହିବେ କାଣା
तो सब क्रीम माने देबे
ହଁ ବାସ୍ ବାସ୍ ହେଲା ହଉ ତାହେଲେ ବନ୍ଦ କରିବା
हां सर
ହଁ
4 ରୁ 5 ଟା टिके
हैं ଆଜ୍ଞା
4 ରୁ 5 जोग
4 ରୁ 5
दिवस टा ऑनलाइन करमा कि फिजिकली करवाडा
ନାଇଁ ଅନଲାइन ଆଜି ମୁଁ ଭିସିକୁ ପଚାରିବି ଅନଲାइन ହିଁ ହେବ ମତେ ଯେତୁର ଲାଗୁଛି
ये बोले गवर्नमेंट विनिंग टा
ହଁ
कडाकडी
ହଁ
करबे
ହଁ ସେ ମୋଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ରୋବାବଲି ଆଜି ଫାଇନାଲ ହେଇଯିବ ଆଉ ହଁ ହଉ
हाउ
ତାହେଲେ
सर नमस्ते